Guys, good evening. So, for today's video guys, kain po tayo ng dinner. Yung ulam po natin guys, San Marino na maanghang. So, ito guys, ito yung favorite ko na dilata guys. So, tara. Bago po tayo kumain, let's pray.
Awak dak profes.
So, tara guys, let's eat. Isa ito sa pinaka-favorite kong dilata guys. Manghang. Sarap anghang. Sarap guys, oh.
Bisa ebe.
Igang mo. Anghang guys. Sarap ng San Marino. Kain tayo ng marami guys. Di talaga ako magsasawa sa guys, sa lasa ng San Marino. Masarap talaga. So yun lang po muna guys in for today's video. Thank you so much for watching po everyone, and palike and share po guys. Thank you so much po and God bless you all. Bye bye, see you next video.